Hello, thanks for watching the video. Today I picked up this flare kit. It's an emergency flare kit. Has two flares that you can use if you say maybe have a roadside emergency. You can put one in front of your car and the other one behind it. That would be one setup you could do. I'm going to try that out for the first time tonight. As you can see, it's dark here and there's no real street lamps. I'm actually in my driveway, so it's not a real emergency, but I want to kind of see what the lights will look like and what to expect. So let me go grab that and we'll take a closer look. So I've got them in the trunk. Now they're not real flare. I mean, well, I guess you could consider them flares. They're just light beacons. So here's the kit. Emergency road flare safety lights. 360-degree visibility for added safety. Portable stands for ground placement. Magnetic base for attaching to vehicle. 3 modes: solid red, flashing red, and flashlight. Visible up to 3,000 feet at night, up to 1,000 feet in daylight. Okay, so pop the top off here. Now, I've never used these before. Looks like the base. Yeah, there's 2 bases. Here's the flare light. Okay, on-off button here. All right, let's see if they have batteries. Cool. It's got 3 AAA batteries, it looks like. That little white piece of paper that fell out was just in there to keep the batteries from contacting while I guess to keep them fresh, which is a good idea. Glad it has batteries. And the AAA is really not that expensive. Okay. Alright, that's the flashing red, solid red, flashlight. We're going to do the same thing to this one here, and I'll set them out by the car. I'm going to go ahead and pause. We have the red flashing lights. I'm about 50 foot away from the vehicle. I can't even see it from here, but I can definitely see the flashing red lights. I would think if someone saw that, they would probably slow down and maybe help. If you were in dire stress of need, definitely would come in handy with the flashing red there. So if you don't have street lamps, yeah, that would definitely help. Okay, let's try the flashlight mode. So I just have one here. Still have the flashing red there in the front. Let's see if you need to change a spare. That's plenty of light right there. Too bad it doesn't have some kind of swivel base. But laying on the ground, it's quite a bit of light. Now these are LED bulbs. Yeah, that's quite a bit of light there. Let's check out the engine bay here. Yeah, you can see your way around here. So that's the idea. Let's set it on flashlight mode and take a look at those. Okay, here we are, about 40 foot away. Can't see the car. See the 2 lights. Also, The flares have magnetic base. Let's put one on the top. Let's try the red here. Solid red in the front. That's a pretty heavy magnet right there as well. All right, so I think that would be something that would make it a lot safer if you're stalled on the road. There's no street lights. If you need assistance, definitely put those flashing red lights on there. If you're maybe just changing a tire, just the flashlights would probably be good enough, I would think. And maybe you don't really want anybody to stop. That's probably what I would do. Guess that's going to be it. And when finished using, I'm going to go ahead and take the battery back out, and I'm going to put that little white piece back in here. All right, putting the second flare in. We're ready to close it up. Now there's only 4 pieces. Clamp the top here. And that's it for the lights all. Now, this may not be, I'm not sure where you can buy this at. There may be a link to Amazon, or I'll try to link to Amazon. If not, I'll try to find something very similar if you're interested in this. And I'll leave that down in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Until next time, have a great day out there. Take care.